If you could do quality risk analysis for a product the day after its end of life, okay, the day after it is taken out of service, you could retrospectively look back and say, well, what were all the things that went wrong, right? How likely were those things? What was the impact, right? With the benefit of hindsight, you could look back and say, this is what the risks were, right? You don't have that, right? That analysis, while possibly interesting, is absolutely worthless because the product is end of life, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your best guess, okay, looking forward. And the guess is going to be better and better the more we can get the key stakeholders to engage. All right? So that's the primary focus of risk-based testing. Now, risk-based testing also means that we look at project risks that are related to testing. Now, a quality risk is a bad thing that could happen that would cause us to not deliver a quality system. A project risk is a bad thing that could happen that would cause us to be unable to execute the project successfully. Cause some sort of deviation from the plan, loss of key personnel, those sort of things, all right? So there are project risks which could affect testing, and one of the byproducts of doing risk analysis is typically to identify project risks, which then subsequently need to be managed, okay? They'll be managed through the typical project risk management techniques that a project manager would employ.